Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Let's find out what happens when you get a 0. That's a 0 for an exponent.
Power rule. What do we do when we have 0 as an exponent? Let's try that one out. So we'll go with 5x to the third to 0, negative 4x to the fourth to the second power. So essentially that crosses out and becomes 1 times, well, because it's negative times negative is positive, it gives us 16x to the 8th. And the answer is 16x to the 8th. That's what you do when you have 0 for an exponent.
Zero for an exponent automatically means that whatever has been has that exponent becomes 1. And Wolfram Alpha backs me up on this. Let's take a look at it. There's the equation right there to the power of 0. See what happens. You might be able to guess at this point. I think it's going to create a cup for us, because 16x to the 8th power, it should form a parabola, which it does, that is shaped in the form of a cup. Now if we put a negative, let's see, well, we can't change, well, let's try. I don't think it's going to change anything, because the negative 0 is not going to change anything. And putting a negative outside there, I don't think it's going to change anything either. But you know what? Let's find out. Is it going to make the whole thing upside down? It's going to make the parabola a mountain or a cup. I think it's going to make it a mountain. Look at that. There it is. So it did change it. 1 minus 16x to the 8th. Alright, so feel free to play with your equations. Wolfram Alpha is there to visualize your computations.